How to create a travel budget step by step. Dreaming of your next big adventure, but worried about the cost? Don't let budgeting hold you back. First things first, where are you going and when? Your destination and travel dates will impact almost every aspect of your budget. Research how much flights, accommodation, and general costs are in your chosen location. If your dates are flexible, compare different time frames to find the best deals. Now let's talk about getting there. Transportation is often the largest part of any travel budget. Start by checking for flight prices or other modes of transport like trains, buses, or even car rentals. Don't forget additional costs like baggage fees, airport transfers, or gas if you're driving. Next up, accommodation. Are you staying in hotels, hostels, Airbnbs, or going the budget route with couch surfing or camping? Estimate your nightly stay based on the number of nights, and remember, prices fluctuate based on season and location. Food and activities are a huge part of the travel experience, but they can add up fast. Research average meal costs at your destination and budget for at least 2 meals a day. For activities, make a list of what you plan to do and check the entry fees. Don't forget to add a bit extra for unexpected fun. How are you getting around once you arrive? Local transportation costs, like public transit, taxis, or rideshare apps, should also be included in your budget. Here's an expense people often forget: travel insurance. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Always have a buffer for emergencies. Whether it's for unexpected medical costs, trip delays, or just a splurge day, setting aside at least 10% of your total budget for emergencies will give you peace of mind. Once you've planned all the big expenses, add them up and see if they fit your budget. Tracking your expenses daily helps you avoid overspending. Now that you know how to create a travel budget step by step, you're ready to plan your next adventure with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment if you have any budgeting hacks of your own.